You can do it, that's why. So you can do this X method for the other, but again, I'm telling you, can you just look at it and start to factor, right? So as soon as it's the easy factoring, I want you to say, okay, multiplies to 12, adds to 4, I know it's M. So right away for this one, I would just go M, right? 4, it's the 6, and M, and I know it's 2. So I want you to just fiddle with it right there, M and M, there's nothing else to do, so it's minus 6, positive 2.
Yeah, I'm just saying, like, is that this method, like, do we need to use this crisscross kind of thing for, like, any other types of...
No, it was just this, yeah. It's just with the numbers in front. So when the numbers are there in front, you got to be able to do something, either decomp. So decomp, which is guessing and checking with the first and last, right, breaking up the middle term. So you're still, and you can see for the other one, the same numbers appear, right? You got the 1, 6, which I had the 1, 6, and the 3, 2, which I had here. But I didn't bring it together to get to it. I just left them broken apart. It's the same guess and check, and it's the same thing, but when I find that when you guys get anything bigger than like 20 something, you're like, oh, that's big. What do I do now? And then you just give up. You're like, well, I skipped that question. I'm like, why? Because it was 240? Yeah, that's all. But you can do it. You just have to do it faster. Don't give up on it. Or keep them separate. And I had one check. Okay, so try one more. Okay, one more. Let's take it from my back list. Okay, so let's try this second one. Okay, so again, let's try one more time. And again, you don't like it, do your decomp. But just do it in a timely manner. You can't say, but I have more steps to write. That's what I hear. People go, I have more steps to write than you, so I need more time. Like, no, you need the same amount of time, just write your steps faster. So as long as you can factor fast enough, then I'm happy, just factor. And don't be as scared, don't be afraid of big numbers. Okay. Common factor first, have to common factor first. Anything? 4, nope, right? That's 5 and 9, that's 2, no, so no common factor. So then I break it apart. I usually just start with a medium, right? So I'm in middle. I'm not gonna start with 45 times 1. So again, unless you see the number in the middle is really big, I start with kind of a middle break, right? So there really is only 9 and 5 and 45 times 1. And otherwise, you would be looking for what multiplies to 45 times 4, 630, and adds to 53. And again, people just go, I don't know, I don't want to. Don't make me. So I'm like, then just break it apart. So one of the two ways have to work. So I keep it separate. 14 is, like I said, it's 1, 14, or 2, 7. Can I restrict anything? I can put 1, 2, no, there's no common factor, so I can't restrict anything. So just try. 1, 14, right, would be here. 9 times 14 is pretty big. I don't want to do it because I'm never going to get to 53. So as soon as you go, 9 times 14 is 90. There's no way I'm going to get to 53, so you can do a quick mental math. I'm not going to write it down. How about 14 here and 1 here? So yes, 9. 5 times 14 is 56, 70? 70. Will that work to get me 53? No, right? So crisscross to multiply, add to the no. So no, gone. So 14 isn't good. So 2 and 7. So again, those are my numbers. So 2 here and 7. So 2 times 5 is 10. 9 times 63. Oh, wait. Does that work? Good? So he's like, bingo, like you get it. Ooh, I got it. Okay, so 10 and 63. That looks promising. So then I do my signs. So negative 63, right? And positive 10. So positive 10. Oh, wait. That doesn't work, right? No. Darn, did I do it again? So I'm at positive, but that won't multiply this. 14, right? I need positive. I need those two to multiply to get 14. So last try would be 7 and 2. It has to be. There's no other choice. So it's going to be 9 times 2, so 18. And then 5 times 7, 35. And that also gets me 43. I purposely gave you ones that have 2 combinations that get you the middle, but only one works. Everyone's always like, but I was close. I got 53. But you didn't get the 14. So I need both numbers to match, right? With sign and number, okay? Not just the number. So yes, so if they're both negative, then they add to negative, right? They both are negative, they add to be negative 53, and they multiply to be 14. Okay, and on purpose I chose one where there was two combinations, but only one right answer. Does that make sense? So then my answer would be this bracket, so this will be 9x. So my final answer is 9x minus 7 and 5x minus 2. Yeah.
I was just a bit confused. Where did the 9x and 5x come from?
45. So the first column here always goes in the first column there, and then the second column here always goes in the second column. So this is 9 times 5 gets me 45, and the 14 I break it up there. I crisscross to multiply to add to the middle term.